Theorem. Let x equals to xn converge to x, then the sequence mod of xn of absolute values converge to mod of x. What is that? If the sequence xn, okay, the limit 10 tending to infinity, which gives you the value x, then the sequence mod of xn, the limit of mod of xn, which converges to mod of x. Okay, what is mod of xn? Mod of xn is the absolute value sequence which converts to mod of x. Okay, now the second theorem, which is the most important theorem, squeeze theorem. Suppose that x equals to xn, y equals to yn, and z equals to zn are the sequence of real numbers, right? If we have three sequences and they are squeezed in between them, okay, that is xn and zn, yn is in between xn and zn, and the limit of xn, which is equals to limit of zn, so then y is equals to yn is convergent because of limit of xn and limit of zn is convergent, which is equals to, so the limit of yn also is equals to limit of xn and limit of zn. That is the sequence squeeze theorem, right? Now based example, 1 over n which is less than to 1 over 2n which is less than to 1 over 3n, right? This is an xn, this is an zn, and this is an yn, right? If the limit of xn which is equals to 0 and the limit of zn which is equals to also 0, so the limit of yn which is also equals to 0, and it is always convergent. This is a simple example, but there are more the examples which we have very tough, so we have to use that squeeze theorem on that. Okay, that is the theorem which gives you, if you have two convergent sequence and in between there is one, so you have to find out what is this the convergence meaning of this between. Okay, this is the in real line also, that real life also, if you have two same limits exist, then you have to only find out what is the in between limit, which is always equals to the limit of upper and lower limits. Okay, that is the main fundamental use of this. You have to know, find out what is the limit of this.